In this training video, I will show you how to list missing equipment through your equipment tab. So in this case, we have a dehumidifier that's out at a job site. We had 10, but we have one that's out at a job site. And we want to check the ones that are set. Okay, so we know that one is out at a job site. Okay, so let's view where it's set first off. So I clicked on set, what it's been set, and I'm going to view it right now. Okay, so we know that that one that we're referring to, the dehumidifier, it's DH1, dehumidifier number 1, came off of truck 1. It is over at Richard Stafford's house. Here's his address. Okay, it's been set. But we got to the job site and it is not there. Nobody can find it. So you would click on this tab right here. It's missing. Okay, so that just came off. It's not on your truck anymore, and it's not at the job site, Mr. Stafford's house. So let's go back to equipment. Okay, and you see that we still have 9 of the dehumidifiers. Well, we have to put a new status on this. So here it says it's available. We tried to pick it up, but it's not. It's missing. So we're going to take it out of the available status, and we're going to and it's not set anymore. Okay, it was set at the house. It's not available. It's missing. So I'm going to click on missing. Okay, so automatically it says it's missing. And we know that 1 is missing, okay? And that's the dehumidifier right here. And let's view it, okay? 1 is missing, and let's view it right there. So it's missing from Mr. Stafford's house, and we know the number, dehumidifier 1, DH1. And again, like I always say, this could be a serial number or any other number you would deem it to be. Okay, so it's missing. Okay, it's missing from this customer's home and job site address, and here it shows missing again. And this is clarifying what it is as well. And it's missing shows up here as well, besides here. Okay, but let's just say that one of your workers found it. Okay, so we are going to reclassify the missing. It's no longer missing. That's great news. Click on the pencil there, and we're going to say it's back available. Okay, so this is clear now because it's not at the job site any longer, and it's not missing. So we'll go back to equipment tab, and as you can see, dehumidifier is now available, and there's 10. It used to be 9, but let's view it anyway. Let's view what's available just to be sure. We know there's 10 here. It used to be 9. 1 was missing, but let's view it. Double check, and lo and behold, dehumidifier number 1, okay, that was missing is back on. We've got 1 through 10. Okay, so we're in good shape. We don't have to buy another dehumidifier. We don't have to worry about it or put a claim in. It is back, so we are good to go. So I'll go back to equipment, and again, dehumidifier, this is all your categories again. Dehumidifier, 10 are available. Okay, so that's how you clarify when 1 is missing, and or take it out of the missing clarification and put it back to available. And that's how that works. To your success, and thank you for watching.